Discernment is not a word you often hear when it comes down to the process of buying your own home or buying an investment property or even starting your own business. It's often the process where we're emotionally driven by key aspects in our life and key outcomes that we want, that we jump into decision making into areas where we generally have no experience and we're trusting other people blindly. But when you think of today's world with so much change going on, the pressures of the economics going on, affordability, interest rates, inflation, all these factors, so many people are under pressure. So wouldn't it be the time to be discerning and understand how to make sound decisions and to avoid making costly mistakes? Doesn't mean you still don't take action and do something, you just don't jump into the process until you understand what's involved. And if the process and strategy or vehicle you choose is best suited to the outcome you want. If you want to increase your cash flow, if you want to be debt free, if you want to change your job, all these things are drivers, but there's then a dozen strategies to line up with that. So if you'd like to learn more about how to build a solid foundation so you can be discerning in regard to your decisions, make sound decisions from fact, from data, from understanding cycles, build your experience, and then also follow your intuition, join me for my webinar coming up, which is the process I've taught over 1,000 clients in the last 20 years to help them make the best decision possible to improve their circumstances today. There's no costs. The Xylem Zone is about sharing knowledge and supporting people through times of change. It's community centric and we don't make money from developers. And the reality is it'll be a solid hour of good data and no selling and garbage like that as well. So jump online. I'd love to see you and love to share some of the things that I've been able to help myself with, my family and other people along the way, and roll them over to you so if you can learn and then maybe then put them into practice and help your own family as well.